friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. And today I'm going to show you what I picked up from Michael's for Valentine's Day. So I didn't get too much because I want to keep it kind of like still like rustic farmhouse. So I found some things which I think were really nice, so I'm going to show you right now what I picked up. I showed you the video, Shop With Me, Michael's. I showed you little clips, what they had for Valentine's. They didn't have like so much, you know, but they had nice things. So, all right, Daisy wanted to go on the couch, so that's why I stopped. All right, so I picked up this heart. Look how nice this heart is. It is chicken wire, but it actually was in the Easter section, believe it or not, which they have really nice Easter things, but let's not get into this in this video. I'll have another Michael's for Easter, which they had really nice things. But anyway, let's stick to Valentine's Day. So I like this. It was chicken wire. So you can really use this all year round. I was thinking of putting this maybe in my bedroom, even my daughter's room, because it's chicken wire. So you can use this all year round. All right, so I got this one. I got this box. It's, you can put stuff in. I don't think I can open it. So yeah, I opened it. So I got this box. It's galvanized inside. It's like rustic, you know, and chippy, which I love. And they had it in red. But I just got the white because maybe I'll use it all year round, like I told you, you know, because I think this is pretty like romantic for your bedroom. I can even put in my daughter's, like I told you. So I wanted to keep it cream white, but it's very pretty. You know, you can stack them up. You can get the cream and the red too. And then I got this pillow, which I think this was for Valentine's. I don't think it was for Easter. I'm not sure because they had Valentine's and Easter. They were kind of bringing the Easter things out. Right. So I love this pillow because you can use this all year round too. And I can even put it in my room or my daughter's room. I have to stop saying that, but that's my thought process. So I just love it. And then you can turn it around if you don't want the love, you know, and it fits perfectly with the farmhouse. And then they had one that said home. So I didn't pick it up. I didn't pick it up because it wasn't on sale and I didn't really want to spend that much money. And I was like, I'm going to go back when they have like that 50% off. And hopefully it's there. But anyway, and the other thing is, I'm a lot on Instagram, so if you guys are on Instagram, just come over. So if you guys want to see like other videos, I do like cooking, I do hauls, I do shopping, I take you guys along. So if you like stuff like that, go to my Instagram and just follow me and you can see my daily stuff because I post over there. I've been trying to post more. So do that, go to my Instagram. It's same like my name, Keeping Up with Miss Electra. And yeah, I'd love to have you guys there. All right, because then you can see me shop, because sometimes I shop at stores and I don't post it here. Bed Bath & Beyond, I go to a lot of different stores, which I don't make a video out of it. Like I was at World Market, so I showed a little around. I don't think I'm gonna put a video up. Maybe, I don't know if I got a lot of footage, but I did post the World Market stuff on Instagram. Anyway, if you want, just come over and follow and come along. All right. So anyway, nice pillow. They had a home pillow. Maybe I'll buy that when it's on sale. So I didn't want to spend too much, and it's pretty big pillow. So it's nice for, okay, it's upside down. So I think it's nice for Valentine's Day. And then I like this sign. You know, I can hang it and or I can put it in my crate, but this is cute. It's galvanized in wood. You can just hang it somewhere, maybe on the fireplace, but I like this one. And my favorite are these little signs. Kisses, 25 cents. Hugs and kisses. And hugs and kisses. I got a red one too, just in case I wanted to decorate with red. So anyway, these are really cute. Yeah, so they had cute things in Michael's for Valentine's Day. So, hey, you got scared? Okay, so that's not it for the haul. I went back to Michael's about like a week after. It was like a 50% off. So right here, because they had that pink section. So this is the only thing I found in the pink section was this pink XOXO wood piece. Ooh. Which is real wood. So that's what I try to look for, like real wood. That's what I, you know, like. I don't like that They're like fake wood. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. So this was the only one because I really wanted pink for this year. So this one's nice. Okay. Then I found these little wood pieces that say love, XO, XO, so sweet and cute. I think that's the only ones they had. I'm not sure if they took the, any other ones, but so I found a few of them. I got them. So they were $2.50 each, which was good. Then I found this galvanized heart with this little rope. And I think it's really cute. So they had this other heart that I wanted, but it was gone. It was like a white heart, galvanized, but it was white, painted and all chippy, which I love that. And they didn't have it. And then I got some of these florals. They were in the spring section. Those are pretty, and I got them in white too. And then I got this. Let me take these off because I want to show you this that I got. Picked up this galvanized basket. I thought it was really, really cute. I don't know if I got the large size or the medium. There was two different sizes. So I picked that because I want to use that for Easter for something. But anyway, I'm going to use it for Valentine's Day too. So they had the Easter things out. That was part of the Easter. I did pick up a few things from Easter. I'm not going to show Easter. I'm going to show, that I can use this for Valentine's, so it's not so Easterish, but it was from the Easter line. So very cute. I just like it. You could put flowers the way I had the eggs, Valentine's heart. You can do a lot with this. All right. This to Bless Our Nest was from the, I don't know if it was spring or it was the Easter collection. So I bought that. I can use that now. And then I got these. I picked them up. I saw them last time. I think they're so cute. They look like they're hand sewn and they have like little sayings on it. Be mine, I think love. And it's pink, white, and red. Picked up some things for the baking. Picked up these sprinkles because they had really interesting sprinkles. This one has gold with pink and red. That's purple. The hearts. Yeah, that caught my eye. These are all just like regular. So that caught my eye. That's why I picked it up. And I like to pick these up at 50% off because, they are a little pricey. So, and then I picked up the melts so I can do the chocolate heart pops. I always do it. It's chocolate heart lollipops. I always make them. That's why I bought these. And then these are just the little bags, the lollipop wrapping kit, so I can wrap them. So I might make them this week, so they won't, get dusty or go bad. So I got the pink melts. I just got to get chocolate. I want better quality chocolate because my kids don't really like this kind of chocolate. They don't like how it tastes because it's really candy melts. So I'm going to get chocolate, and then this is for decorating the chocolate heart lollipops. All right, and this one I had already, so that's why I pushed it to the side. So yeah, so this is what I got when I went to Michael's right now. Okay, and I forgot these sprinkles. These sprinkles are so cute. I like because it has a little spoon, and I was glad to find it because it was 50% off. So cute. They're like little tiny hearts. So yeah. So the spoon sold me because I thought it was so cute. And it's glass. So I like it because it's glass, and then I can reuse it for other sprinkles. Okay, and I forgot this. And the Fun Dip. So the boys wanted to give their classmates Fun Dip. So I like to go when these are like, 50% off. So I got 2 boxes of these. I used to love this when I was little. So I was like, all right. For Valentine's, something fun. So yeah, so my boys picked these and they want to give these out. Yeah, they had good things in Michael's. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to have a video soon how I decorated my house for Valentine's Day. It's not too much, but it's nice. You're going to like it. So stay tuned for that video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe so you can see all the other stuff that I'm going to be doing for the holidays. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on my videos. And I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on my videos. I do a lot of seasonal videos, decorating videos. I have some cleaning videos coming up, and I have some organization videos. So there's a lot that goes on over here, and DIYs. So give this video a thumbs up if you like Valentine's Day and if you like what I bought. And I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!